In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change bank account in Stripe. If you are updating where your Stripe payouts land, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. You'll need access to your Stripe dashboard and permission to manage bank details for your business. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard and complete any two-factor prompts if they appear. Once you are in, look to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens all of your account and business settings. In the Settings view, find the Business section and select Bank Accounts and Currencies. This page lists the bank accounts currently connected to your Stripe account. If you manage more than one business, make sure you are looking at the correct account before making changes. Now, locate your current bank account. On the right side of that row, click the three dots to open the menu. Choose Edit Bank Account if you want to replace the existing details. If you prefer to keep the current one and add a separate destination, select Add Bank Account. Editing swaps out the details on the account you are viewing, while adding creates an additional option you can use as needed. For security, Stripe may prompt you to verify your identity. This could be a confirmation email or a password check. Follow the on-screen instructions and only use links or prompts you receive directly from Stripe to keep your account secure. Next, enter your new bank information. Carefully type the routing number and the account number, double-checking each digit. Make sure the account holder name matches exactly as it appears on your bank statement. Even small differences, like punctuation or abbreviations, can cause payout delays or verification issues. Also confirm the country and currency shown on the form align with the bank you are adding, so payouts flow correctly without conversion surprises. When everything looks correct, click Edit Account or Add Bank Account to save your changes. You should see an on-screen confirmation that your update has been received. In many cases, the change takes effect quickly and future payouts will be directed to the updated bank details once Stripe completes its routine checks. If anything needs attention, Stripe will let you know right there in the dashboard. And that's it. You've logged in, opened settings, gone to bank accounts and currencies, chosen edit or add, verified your identity if prompted, entered the new bank details, and saved the changes. Take a moment to review what you entered before you finalize, and you'll avoid most common issues. Thanks for watching.